Hey guys, starting to look at some of the questions you guys have had. Excuse me, on the 5-7 homework, the binomial theorem, and we're looking at problem 17 right now. All right, which is a plus 3b to the fourth power. So we want to use Pascal's triangle. So I've got my copy of Pascal's triangle right here. And as I'm looking at that, the fourth row down of Pascal's triangle to get a plus b to the fourth, I see that my coefficients are 1, 4, 6, 4, and 1. All right, so that's where I start off. All right, and again, now it's not a and b, it's a and 3b. So that 3 is going to cause just a few adjustments for us. All right. But we start off with 1a to the fourth. Okay. And now remember, I'm going to knock for my next step here. I'm going to knock that exponent down 1 and raise the other exponent up 1. So that'll be a to the third. And instead of b to the first, it's 3b to the first, or just 3b. Okay. Now I've got 6. And again, I want to knock that down 1, so that'll be a squared. And I want to raise that up 1, so that would be 3b squared. And now I want to knock that down 1, so that'd be a to the first, or just a. And then 3b to the third, because I'm raising that up 1. And then finally, knock that down, which would be a to the 0, which is just like 1, so I don't need to write it. Raise that up 1, and it would be 3b to the fourth. All right. So that's what I've got so far. Now I've got to do a little bit of simplifying, just using order of operations. Going through and doing all my exponents first, and then doing multiplication. So 1a to the fourth, not much I can do with that. That's just 1a to the fourth. Here, 4a cubed times 3b. Well, I multiply what I can. I can multiply 4 by 3. That gives me 12. And then I've got a cubed b. Now here, I do my exponent first, so 3 squared would be 9, and then times that 6 would give me 54, and then I've got a squared b squared. 3 cubed is 27, and 27 times 4, I think, is 108, and it would be a b to the third. And then finally, I want to do 3b to the fourth. 3 to the fourth is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. I believe that's 81. B to the fourth. So there's the answer that I get. 1a to the fourth plus 12a cubed b plus 54a squared b squared plus 108ab cubed plus 81b to the fourth. Okay, so again, the binomial theorem using Pascal's triangle to help you do a binomial distribution here where we've got a binomial raised to a power. All right, hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. Take care.